we are going to discuss the important topic in the Telangana geography, drainage system. Drainage system, main rivers we are going to discuss in this topic. Okay. In the Telangana, there are number of rivers are flowing, okay, for their agriculture development or other ecosystem. So, we are going to discuss each river in detail in the Telangana geography. There is a make sure question in each exam, okay, 1 or 2 questions related to the Telangana rivers, okay, and projects. This is the class. Today we are going to discuss the main river, which is Godavari, okay. Yes, yeah, major rivers of Telangana. Telangana major rivers mainly, just look into here, yeah, Godavari river system and Krishna river system, 2 are main river system in Telangana, okay. We are going to discuss today class Godavari river system. This is the Godavari river which is flowed in the northern Telangana, and this is the Krishna river system which is flowed in the southern Telangana. So, main rivers, these are the main peninsular rivers. Peninsular rivers mean they are depend on rainfall, okay. During rainy season, if the rain is more catchment area taken place by these rivers, okay. We are going to discuss today itself, the class is Godavari river system, yeah. Just look into here, Godavari river, the main points about Godavari river. Godavari river basin is 3,12,812 square kilometers, 3,12,812 square kilometers. This is the area which is second largest basin in the country, second largest basin in the country, okay. Yeah, Godavari is the river in the peninsular, that is we can call historically Tellivaha river in Telangana, okay. In Telangana, it is mentioned in the Puranas Tellivaha river. This is the important for TSPSC. This is the important Tellivaha river. Which one of the following is mentioned as Tellivaha river in the Puranas? Okay, this is Godavari river. Okay, they can give you the Godavari tributaries also. There is Manjira, like Tirtha, these kind of rivers, Krishna river, they can mention. You have to answer it. Godavari river is the Tellivaha river. Okay, it is also called river of poets. River of poets. This is also TSPSC point. Okay, TSPSC points. River of poets. Okay, yeah, the largest among peninsular river in terms of catchment area and discharge. Catchment area mean all our tributaries all comes under together the what they can hold the water, okay. Yes, and Godavari basin drains 10% India's total geographical area, 10% geographical area Godavari can flow, okay. Yeah, India wise, it is the second longest river in India. If come to the India, it is second largest. If come to the South India, it is the first longest river. If come to the South India, it is the longest river. If come to the total India, it is the second longest river, which is 1465 square kilometers, 910 miles. 1465 kilometers, 910 miles. Okay. Yes, it is the length of the Godavari in Telangana 560 kilometers. In the Telangana, it is 560 kilometers. This is also TSPSC point. Okay. The length of the Telangana along with Telangana and AP, which is 772. This is also TSPSC point. Okay. Along with Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, it is 772 kilometers. Only itself Telangana 560 kilometers. The state which is highest catchment area of this river is Maharashtra, which is 48.6%. Maharashtra itself 48.6% Maharashtra is Godavari catchment area. Okay. Once again we are looking to this. It is second largest river basin in the country after Ganga, and it is Tellivaha river. In the Puranas we can call it as Tellivaha river, and it is about river of poet. It is the river of poets, and there are many songs relevant to the Godavari. Okay, that's why it is the river of poets, and it is the peninsular river, the largest peninsular river. Rivers are two types, right? Perennial and peninsular. Perennials are mostly North India, where the glaciers melt into the water, that is perennial. This is the peninsular, mostly rain-fed rivers. Okay, peninsular is the largest river is peninsular river is Godavari. Godavari, it is 10% geographical area in India, it is flow, and it is the longest river, second longest river in India, first longest river in South India. Okay, yeah, it is about 1465 kilometers, 1465 kilometers, 910 miles. Okay, if come to the Telangana, it is 560 kilometers, and if come to the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, 770 kilometers. Okay, yeah, it is the largest area which is Godavari is there in the Maharashtra, 48.6. Okay, yeah, I hope you guys understand these points about Godavari. Okay, yes, and we are going to discuss another, okay, about Godavari. Yeah, Godavari river system. Godavari river system, where it is started, what is the relevant points relevant to the TSPSC or Telangana, we are going to discuss. Okay, yeah, these are the main points. Okay, Godavari, where it is originate, Triambakeshwar hills, Triambakam, okay, that is Nasik district, Maharashtra. Yeah, Godavari is origin where Triambakeshwar district, Nasik, where the place is Triambakeshwar hills and Nasik district, Maharashtra. Okay, yeah, length 1465 kilometers, approximately 560 kilometers in Telangana, 560 kilometers in Telangana. Okay, yeah, and the Godavari river enter Telangana where Nizamabad district, Kandakurti. This is the key point TSPSC. Key point for the TSPSC. Godavari river, where it is enter into the Telangana, Nizamabad district, the place Kandakurti, most important for exam. Okay, yeah, yeah, Godavari river meet another two rivers which is Manjira and Haridra. Godavari plus Manjira plus Haridra. Three rivers called Triveni Sangamam. These three rivers meet the place, we can call it as Triveni Sangamam. Three mean three rivers where they can meet in the Kandakurti, where Nizamabad, Kandakurti place, there is another rivers which are meet to the Godavari or Manjira and Haridra. Most important, where Triveni Sangamam placed, Manjira and Haridra, Godavari, they can meet. Godavari meet the rivers, two rivers, Manjira and Haridra. We can call it as Triveni Sangamam. We can call it as Triveni Sangamam. Okay, yeah, these all our important points about Godavari river, which is Triambakeshwar hills, Nasik district, Maharashtra, and it is about the length of 1465 kilometers, 910 miles and 560 kilometers in the Telangana. Okay, yeah, it is Godavari river which is enter into the Telangana, Nizamabad district, Kandakurti. It is most important. They can meet Manjira and Haridra, other two rivers. This along with Godavari, three rivers called Triveni Sangamam. The place is Kandakurti. Most important for exam point of view. I hope you guys understand this. Okay, yeah, next. Yeah, states through which the Godavari river flows. Okay, Godavari river flows, what are the states? Okay, here this is also important. Maharashtra, first state where it is originate, Triambakeshwar, Nasik district. Okay, yeah, and Telangana second, Andhra Pradesh, okay, Chhattisgarh, Odisha small part, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh small part, Karnataka very small part which is tributaries are connected. Okay, 7 states. Large states are 3. Okay, 4. Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh are the large amount of Godavari it is flows, and small amount, that is Odisha, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka are very small amount they can flows. Okay, yeah, and main states, major rivers flow, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh is the main, okay, areas. Okay, of course, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, which is 770 kilometers, Telangana itself which is 560 kilometers, mean this is about 200 above kilometers. Okay, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, yeah, and Maharashtra 48.6% they can flow, 48.6% the Telangana can flows. Okay, yeah, sorry, Godavari river flows in the Maharashtra 48% of the catchment area, and where Telangana 560 kilometers, and Andhra Pradesh and Telangana together 770 kilometers, and Andhra Pradesh more than 200. Okay, I hope you guys understand. This is the Telangana Godavari river. Okay, it is the most important river. There may be chance of questions in the drainage system of geography. Okay, this is the Telangana state. Okay, we are going to discuss another topic. Yeah, Godavari catchment area. According to the catchment area, before we can did see that length of the area. This is catchment area. Catchment area mean there are the other rivers are also connected to the Godavari river. Other rivers. This is the main Godavari river. Okay, the length 1465. Okay, sorry, 1465 kilometers length Godavari river. Okay, yeah, there is another left bank tributaries like tributaries and right bank tributaries, left bank tributaries. They enter from other states into the Godavari area. Okay, finally they drain into the Bay of Bengal. Finally, they drain into the Bay of Bengal. This is the area where the tributaries sorry, okay, tributaries all over Godavari, along with Godavari river, they enter into the Bay of Bengal. This is catchment area. Sorry, this is catchment area. Catchment area. Catchment area, nothing but there are other tributaries which are enter into the Godavari river system. All over the area, water area, we can call catchment area. Yes, okay, yeah. So according to the catchment area, this is 3,12,812 square kilometers. 3,12,812 square kilometers catchment area. Godavari river catchment area is 3,12,812. 3,12,812 the square kilometers. Okay, yeah. Percentage of total geographical area of the Godavari is 9.5% according to the Indian like place. Okay, yeah, Indian geographical area, Godavari is occupied, Godavari river 9.5%. Okay, yeah, I hope you guys understand this, the catchment area. Yeah, according to the Godavari catchment area, they can ask you increasing order or decreasing order Godavari catchment area according to the states. Okay, yeah, you don't confuse. There is a Maharashtra is 48%, right? 48%, which is 1,52,000 catchment area, square kilometers. Okay, square kilometers, 1,52,000 square kilometers. Andhra Pradesh, which is 73,000 catchment, 23%. 23% Andhra Pradesh. Chhattisgarh, which is 39,000, which is 12%, 12.5%. 12.5% is Chhattisgarh. Odisha, which is 6.8, Telangana 6.1. This is important. Telangana 6.1, catchment area 18,974. Telangana catchment area 18,974, which is 6.1%. Okay, as according to these states. If it is 100%, if it is 100%, 6.1% is Telangana, because of most of the percent Maharashtra. After that, 23% is 1/3% is Andhra Pradesh. After that, Chhattisgarh and Odisha and Telangana. Okay, yeah, this is not about Godavari River water itself. The catchment area is different. Godavari water flow is different. Okay, don't confuse. Catchment area mean other rivers also joined with the Godavari. That's why Godavari itself 650 kilometers, they can flow in the Telangana, but catchment area here, look into here, only 6.1%. Mean there is a other rivers which is coming from other states to into the Godavari. That's why these states are highest in number than Telangana, because of other rivers also joined with the Godavari. Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha are the 5 front rivers are greater than Telangana catchment area. So Telangana catchment area, which is 18,974 square kilometers, which is 6.1%. Okay, just look into here. Just look into here. This is important. Okay, this is important, guys. Just look into here. Okay, yes. And Godavari River in Telangana, detailed notes and facts. Okay, for exam point of view, I made it. Okay, yeah. Origin is where total length. Okay, length in Telangana, and Telangana is the second largest. Okay, origin where it is origin. This is Tributaries, Nasik district, Maharashtra. Tributaries, Nasik district, Maharashtra. Okay, yeah. Length 1465 square kilometers. Length is 1465 square kilometers. Okay, yeah. Sorry, that is not kilometers. It is kilometers. Telangana, which is 560 kilometers. Total length is 1465. Telangana 560 kilometers. Okay, yeah. And Telangana is the largest, second largest state in terms of Godavari River's length after Maharashtra. This is important for exam point of view. Okay, for TSPSC, this is important. As per lengthwise, not catchment area. Catchment area is different. Okay, length is the second largest state of Telangana, which is 560 kilometers is the second largest after Maharashtra. After Maharashtra, of course, 1465, okay, square kilometers, sorry, kilometers, that is 1465. Telangana is 560. How much percentage? Okay, this is second highest length. Second high length in the Telangana, second highest length in the Telangana. This is keyword for the exam. This is keyword for the exam. The length wise it is second highest, but catchment area different. Catchment area after Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, after that Telangana. Okay, but the length wise 560 kilometers is the second highest length. Okay, 560 kilometer is the second highest length. Yeah, and this is the exam point of view. Now it is time to come Telangana districts. What are the districts Godavari river has flow here? First, how many districts? Nirmal 1, Nizamabad 2, okay, Jagityal 3, and Peddapelli 4, Manchiryal 5, Jayashankar Bhupalpelli 6, and Mulugu 7, Bhadradri 8. 8 districts are flow. Godavari flow through the 8 districts. Okay, Godavari flow through the 8 districts. What are they? Nirmal, Nizamabad, Jagityal, Peddapalli, Manchiryal, Jayashankar Bhupalpelli, and Mulugu, Bhadradri, Kottagudem. Guys, they can ask you Godavari river flow how many districts in the Telangana, and they can ask you the west to east flow. They can ask you west to east flow, or east to west flow. They can ask you any flow through these districts, east to west district, west to east district, Godavari flow. Okay, Godavari river flow as the Nirmal, Nizamabad, first Nizamabad, after that Nirmal. First they can join in the Nizamabad, right? After that Nirmal, after that Jagityal, after that Peddapalli, sorry, Manchiryal, after that Peddapalli. Okay, Manchiryal, Peddapalli, and Jayashankar Bhupalpelli, Mulugu, and Bhadradri. This is the order, but this is the change, interchange. Nizamabad is the first. Nizamabad, Nirmal. Nizamabad, Nirmal, Jagityal, Peddapelli, Manchiryal, Jayashankar Bhupalpelli, Mulugu, Bhadradri, Kottagudem. Okay, guys, this is the order of that Godavari river flow in the districts of Telangana. How many districts? 8 districts, and this is the order. Okay, I am gonna show you in the map. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Yeah, this is the map. Actually here not observing well. Okay, yeah, here Nizamabad, this is the Nizamabad, this Nizamabad place, and this is the Nirmal district. After that, which is enter into the Jagityal, this is the Jagityal district. Nirmal, Nizamabad, first district is Nizamabad, second district is Nirmal, and third district is Jagityal. And fourth district is Manchiryal. Manchiryal, fourth district. Fifth district is here Peddapalli. Sixth district is here Jayashankar Bhupalpelli. Fifth Mulugu, Bhadradri, Kottagudem. Here, sorry, this is Bhadradri, Kottagudem. So 8 districts they can flow. 8 district. Yeah. Peddapelli, Manchiryal, Jayashankar Bhupalpelli, Mulugu, Bhadradri, Kottagudem. Yeah. First, Nizamabad, Nirmal, Jagityal, Manchiryal, Peddapelli, Jaishankar Bhupalpalli, Mulugu, Bhadradri, Kottagudem. These are the places Godavari can flow from the west to east. West to east. West to east they can flow. Godavari flow west to east. Okay, just look into here. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. I am going to show in the map. Just first map is where, yeah, this is okay, yeah, first Nizamabad. This is the Nizamabad district. This is the Nizamabad district. Here they enter. Okay, where after that this is the place Nirmal is going to take place here, Nirmal, and this is the place Jagityal and Manchiryal, and after that Jaishankar Bhupalpalli, which is Warangal district. This is the Warangal district, Jaishankar Bhupalpalli. Karimnagar district is this is the Manchiryal where the Adilabad placed previously, and this is the Jagityal, Karimnagar district placed previously. Sorry, Jagityal here, Peddapalli, this is the Peddapalli, and this is the Jaishankar Bhupalpalli. After that Mulugu, and the Khammam where previously, which is Bhadradri Kottagudem. Okay, these are the areas Godavari flow. Okay, yes. Okay, this is same as this. Okay, yeah. First, we are going to discuss each district. What is the importance of Godavari? Guys, you have to follow this class enough. You have to follow this class enough. You may crack the questions. Okay, make sure. Yeah. First, Godavari River flow across the Telangana district wise. Okay, left to right or east to west to east. Left to right or west to east. They can ask you left to right or they can ask you west east. Okay, yes. Nirmal, actually it is not first district, it is second district. Nirmal is the second. Okay, first is the Nizamabad. Okay, where the Godavari enter Telangana, not here. Okay, yeah, it is second district. Yeah, in the Nirmal there is a temple, Basara Saraswati temple is the most important for the exam point of view. Godavari River across the Nirmal through the temple, Basara temple, Saraswati temple. This is the most important. And if come to the Nizamabad, it is the flows where first enter into the Telangana, the place is Kandakurti. The place is Kandakurti, it is Nizamabad. Okay, this is important. And there is a irrigation drinking water is there, Sri Ram Sagar project. Oh, no. Okay, irrigation we will going to discuss later. Okay, yeah. Next district is Jagityal. There is a Godavari river flow through the Jagityal district. There is a temple, Dharmapuri temple, Lakshmi Narasimha Swami temple, Dharmapuri. Okay, yeah, most important. Two temples they can cross. Nirmal is Basara Saraswati temple, Jagityal is Lakshmi Narasimha Swami temple, Dharmapuri. The place is Dharmapuri, the place is Basara here. Okay, yeah, this is the most important. Godavari can cross. Okay, yes. And if come to the Peddapalli, there is a Ramagundam industrial area, that is NTPC power plant. This is also important. NTPC power plant which is used which river water, Godavari river water they can use. Okay, and Manchiryal is the place which is Singareni Collieries. And if come to the Jayashankar Bhupalpalli, it is south and enter dense forest zone. There is Eturu Nagaram Wildlife Sanctuary. This is important for Godavari River flow through the Jayashankar Bhupalpalli. There is wildlife sanctuary is there, Eturu Nagaram Wildlife Sanctuary. The Godavari can flow in the Jayashankar Bhupalpalli. This is also important for TSPSC. Okay, TSPSC. Guys, okay, just focus it. Yeah, if come to the next, Mulugu district. Okay, Godavari River flow through the Mulugu district. There is a Ramappa forest zone. Mulugu district, Ramappa forest zone. Okay, yes. Ramappa forest zone. There is Medaram Sammakka Sarakka Jatara. In the Mulugu district, Godavari River flow through the Mulugu district. The speciality Godavari River can attach here. There is a Sammakka Saraka Medaram Jatara. Okay, and if come to the Bhadradri Kottagudam, that is Bhadrachalam. Okay, Sri Rama temple is there in the Bhadrachalam, Bhadradri Kottagudam. Mahbubad, there is a place Godavari, very marginal area, small amount of area Godavari can flow Mahbubad. They can give you which one of the following is Godavari River crossed. Mahbubad also they can cross, but small amount. Okay, they can give you such a questions where the negligible points are there. Okay, this is the Mahbubad, also Godavari can flows. After that they can cross into the Andhra Pradesh. Okay, yeah, once again you have to see this is the areas Godavari can flow. First Nirmal Basar temple, and Kandakurti is Nizamabad. Triveni Sangamam Kandakutri, Triveni Sangamam Godavari meet Manjira Haridra. So this is the Triveni Sangamam. Triveni Sangamam. Okay, yeah. If come to the Jagital, Dharmapuri famous temple. Okay, yes. And Peddapalli, Ramagundam Industrial Area, NTPC, water, Godavari water, Manchiral Singareni Collieries, Jayashankar Bhupalpalli, Eturu Nagaram Wildlife Sanctuary, and Mulugu district, Ramappa forest and Medaram Sammakka Jatara, and Bhadrachalam, Sri Rama temple, and Mahbubad, it is small part, Kottagudam Bada, and finally they reach Andhra Pradesh. Yeah, important tributaries of Godavari River. This is also most important left bank tributaries and right bank tributaries. Left bank tributaries and right bank tributaries. It is the most important if come to the Godavari River. Okay, yeah. Left bank tributaries, first Pranahita, most important guys, tributaries most important, Pranahita joins near Kaleshwaram. Okay, it is formed by Venganga and Vardha. Venganga plus Vardha. Together we can call Pranahita. Venganga and Vardha together we can call Pranahita. Pranahita is the river where the left bank tributary of the Godavari. Pranahita, what does it mean? They can meet at Kaleshwaram place in the Godavari. That is two rivers combination. Venganga, Vardha mean there is a left bank tributaries are Venganga is there, Vardha is there. They can together to meet to form Pranahita. If the Venganga, Vardha meet, we can call Pranahita. Okay, Pranahita is the combination of Venganga and Vardha. Indravati. Indravati joins further downstream of Telangana directly. Okay. Shebari, Seeleru, Kaidam, Purna are the tributaries. Left bank tributaries are Indravati, okay, Penganga, Indravati, Penganga, Shebari, Seeleru, Kaidam and Purna. This is Venganga. Okay, Venganga. Venganga, Vardha together we can call it as Pranahita, and Penganga is different, that is also left bank tributary. Okay, and Shebari, Seeleru and Kaidam, Purna. Okay, we can call in the Telugu it is Upanadalu. Okay, tributary nothing but Upanadalu in the Telugu, that is left Upanadalu, that is joins Kaleshwaram, Pranahita, Indravati and Indravati downstream, and Penganga, Shebari, Seeleru, Kaidam, Purna. Okay, they meet in the left side of the Godavari. We can call it as left bank tributaries. And if come to the right bank, okay, if come to the right bank, okay, yeah, right bank tributaries are Manjira, okay, yeah, Manjira, it is joins Nizamabad, Sangareddy district, Kinnerasani joins in the Bhadradi district, and Maneru, Pravara are the right bank tributaries. Just look into here. Okay, if Godavari flows from west to east, okay, yeah, it is Godavari. So left bank tributaries are joined in the left side, okay, left side of the Godavari. How many? Here, just look into here, Pranahita. They can ask you the east to west flow, west to east flow, what are the tributaries? Okay, tributaries also they can join west to east. Okay, right bank tributaries they can meet right side of the Godavari, right side of the Godavari they can meet. Finally, this is the west, this is the east, they enter into the Bay of Bengal. You can write down where the order of the tributaries names, order of the tributaries of names, right or left. They can ask you these are the rivers. Okay, you have to write it right side and left side tributaries, and there is a order from the west to east and east to west. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Okay, yes. Major towns in Godavari River, Telangana, major towns are what? Okay, yes. Major towns are Basara Temple, Dharmapuri Temple, Ramagundam, Bhadrachalam are the major towns. Okay, Basara is the temple of goddess Saraswati. Goddess Saraswati is the Basara temple, and Dharmapuri Narasimha Swami temple, and Ramagundam is the industrial hub NTPC. Bhadrachalam is the famous Ramalayam temple. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Godavari can attach, like Godavari can cross these main towns. Okay, they can ask you any kind of the questions. Yeah, important projects on the Godavari River. What are the important projects on the Godavari River? This is also important for the exam point of view. Kaleshwaram lift irrigation, okay, KLIP project, where the district Bhupalpalli and Karimnagar, such a district of North Telangana, okay, they can meet. It is the largest multi-stage irrigation project. Sriram Sagar project, SRSP, Nizamabad, Sriram Sagar project, okay, and it is irrigation and a drinking purpose. And the Lower Maneru Dam, Karimnagar, Lower Maneru Dam, Karimnagar means Peddapalli, okay, Peddapalli. That is like irrigation project for crop purpose, and Kadam project where the Nirmal, okay, Nirmal, it is irrigation, okay, drinking purpose is only Sriram Sagar project. Okay, they can ask you any form. Okay, these are the 4 projects or main projects on the Godavari River. Okay, just look into here, take a screenshot. Okay, yeah. Triveni Sangamam, this is the most important. Triveni Sangamam. Okay, Triveni Sangamam means to meet 3 rivers at a place called Triveni Sangamam. To meet 3 rivers here. First Triveni Sangamam is Godavari, Nizamabad. Second Triveni Sangamam at Kaleshwaram. Okay, yes. And first Kandakurti, where Nizamabad, Triveni Sangamam, Kandakurti, Nizamabad, important for the exam point of view. There is a Dharmapuri temple Pushkara, look, okay, takes place in this bank of Godavari River. Okay, Jagityal, Nizamabad district itself. Okay, Triveni Sangamam, what are the rivers to meet in the Nizamabad place Kandakurti? Godavari River, Manjira River and Haridra River. Godavari River, Manjira River, Haridra River, they can meet at a place Kandakurti. That is, Godavari is the main river of the Telangana from the Maharashtra. And Manjira is the right bank tributary of the Godavari, where Nizamabad, Jagityal region they can flow. And Haridra is the small local tributary stream, also considered as that is the merges near the same spot. This is the Triveni Sangamam where Nizamabad is located. The place is Kandakurti. This is the most important for the exam point of view, guys. Just look into here. Okay, yeah. Next. Religious importance of the Godavari. It is confluence of considered as a sacred spot, pilgrimage belief the dip into the Triveni Sangamam, wishes away signs and cures of diseases, where there is a Pushkara. Okay, yeah, near Dharmapuri Lakshmi Narasimha Swami temple, which one of the oldest Narasimha temple in the South India. Okay, this is also important for the exam point of view, guys. Okay, 3 rivers meet at Kaleshwaram, another Triveni Sangamam. Okay, another Triveni Sangamam. This is also important for exam point of view, where it is Kaleshwaram. One is Kandakurti, second one is Kaleshwaram, Triveni Sangamam. Kaleshwaram also Triveni Sangamam. There is river Godavari, Pranahita and Saraswati. Okay, that is Manjira, Godavari and Haridra. Haridra is a local river. Here local river is the Saraswati. Okay, and Pranahita and Godavari. Godavari, Pranahita and Saraswati, they can 3 meet a place Kaleshwaram called Triveni Sangamam. Okay, Godavari is the major river. Pranahita, largest left bank tributary. Pranahita. Okay, that is the combination of Varda and Venganga. Varda and Venganga together to form Pranahita. Pranahita is the left bank tributary, largest left bank tributary of the Godavari. Okay, this Pranahita, Saraswati is the local tributary. It is invisible actually. Okay, mythological Saraswati river is there. Okay, like Prayagraj. Okay, guys, this is the Saraswati river is invisible. Puranas says there is a river Saraswati, and this is the Pranahita, the combination of Varda and Venganga, Pranahita and Godavari, 3 rivers to meet the place at Kaleshwaram. We can call it as Triveni Sangamam. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Just look into here. Okay, yes. Next, religious and cultural importance of the Godavari. Okay, Kaleshwaram Mukteshwara Swami temple is the important, okay, Kaleshwaram, the place Godavari where the Pushkara is going to take place. Mukteshwara Swami temple, the Lord Shiva is, okay, is there, Lord Shiva. It is the one of the famous Pancharma Kshetras, pilgrimage site, especially Mahashivaratri is going to took place here, and Triveni Sangamam, okay, that is holy dip, devotees takes bath like Sangamam point, okay, believing purifies science, okay, it is considered high auspicious during Pushkaralu, okay, for every 12 years of Godavari Pushkaralu, every 12 years, which is the main place, Sangameshwara Swami temple, Lord Shiva. This is important for exam point of view, guys. Yeah, this is the Godavari, the river, left and right bank tributaries, okay, yes. Again, you have to quick look into this Godavari river, okay, again we have to quick look into this. Yeah, Godavari, Telangana major river system is Godavari and Krishna, and Godavari river, which is catchment area of 3,12,812 kilometers, second largest river basin in the peninsular river, like in India. It is first, it is the highest in the peninsular river. It is also Puranas, it is called Telivaha river, and it is called the river of poet, and the largest among peninsular river, it is the largest, and second largest in India, first largest in the south, like India, okay. Yeah, it is about 10%, it can be occupied the geographical area of the India, okay. It is the second largest in India and the longest river in the South India, okay. It is 1465 kilometers, 1465 kilometers. The length of the Godavari is 560 kilometers in the Telangana. 560. Telangana and AP together 772, and Maharashtra itself to occupy 48% catchment area. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Yeah, where it is originate, Triambakeshwar Hills, Nasik district, Maharashtra, and it is 1465 kilometers, 560 in Telangana, and it is the place where the Godavari enter into the Telangana is Kandakurti. Kandakurti place is about the Triveni Sangamam, where the Haridra, Manjira and Godavari meet together, three rivers. Okay, yes. And if come to the states, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. Okay, 7 states. Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha is small part. Okay, negligible amount they can flow. Okay, major states, Maharashtra 48%, Telangana 560 kilometers, and Andhra Pradesh above 200 kilometers is the main areas. Okay, yes, Godavari can flow. And the percentage of catchment area 3,12,812 square kilometers, 3,12,812 kilometers, square kilometers, which is 9.5% of the catchment area total river of India. Okay, Maharashtra is the highest amount catchment area. Catchment area nothing but there is a river and river tributaries all together to form a area called catchment area. That is Maharashtra first place, Andhra Pradesh, after that Chhattisgarh, Odisha, after that Telangana 5th place. Telangana is the 5th place about the catchment area, but the longest area they can flow, which is 2nd place after Maharashtra. Okay, catchment area 5th place, longest flow is 2nd place from the Telangana, which is after Maharashtra. Okay, yeah, basics of Telangana. Nasik district, length 560 kilometers in the Telangana, 2nd largest state in terms of Godavari river length after Maharashtra. Okay, yeah, there are like states in the districts that are the district in the Telangana: Nirmal, Nizamabad, Peddapalli, Manchiryal, Jaishankar, Bhupalpalli, Mulugu and Bhadradri, Kottagudem. These districts Godavari can flow in the Telangana. Okay? Yes. Yeah. Godavari river flow district wise. Nirmal is the Basar, okay, which is a famous Saraswati temple. And if come to the Nizamabad, Kandakurti is the place Godavari enter. If come to the Jagityal, Dharmapuri temple is the there is Jagityal in the famous. And if come to the Godavari, Peddapalli, there is a Ramagundam industrial area. Manchiryal is the Singareni collieries. They can use the Godavari water. And if come to the Jaishankar Bhupalpalli, there is a Eturu Nagaram wildlife sanctuary. Okay, yeah, they can use the Godavari water. Yeah, if come to the Mulugu, Mulugu is the there is a place Ramappa forest zone. There is a Medaram Sammaka Saraka Jatara. And if come to the Bhadradri Kottagudem, there is a Bhadradri Sri Rama temple is the famous of Godavari. Okay, and Mahbubad also small part they can enter. Okay, finally they can reach Andhra Pradesh. Yeah, important tributaries of the Godavari. Pranahita is the main tributary, longest tributary of the Godavari, largest tributary of the Godavari too. It is the combination of Vardha and Venuganga. Vardha and Venuganga, they can meet together and to form Pranahita as a left bank tributary of the Godavari. And we can consider Vardha and Venuganga also Godavari tributaries. And if come to the Indravati also Godavari tributary. Penganga, that is Shabari, Seleru, Kadam and Purna also left bank tributaries. If come to the right bank tributaries, Manjira which is enter into the Nizamabad Sangareddy and Kinnarasani, okay, Maneru, Pravara are the right bank tributaries. Okay, left bank tributaries and right bank tributaries is the most important for coming exam. Okay, yes. Yeah, next. Yeah, major temples: Basara temple, Dharmapuri temple, Ramagundam industrial area and Bhadrachalam temple. Okay, these are the major areas of the Godavari river flows. Okay, yes. Yeah, important projects on the Godavari: Kaleshwaram project and Sriram Sagar project, where SRSP Nizamabad for the drinking purpose and irrigation, and Lower Manade Dam irrigation, Kadam project irrigation. Okay, these are the projects which are important. We are going to discuss in the project section of this. Okay, Godavari river. Okay, yeah, we are going to discuss the projects in the coming sessions. Yes. And Triveni Sangamam at Kandakurti, Godavari, that is Manjira, Haridra and Godavari. Three rivers meet at the place of Kandakurti, Nizamabad. We can call it as Triveni Sangamam. Okay? Yes. Religious important, it is like prelim grade importance is there. There are such temples they can cross. There Basara and Dharmapuri, Kaleshwaram are the major areas to cross the temples. Okay? Yes. And there is another Triveni Sangamam at Kaleshwaram. First one is Kandakurti place, Nizamabad. Second one is Kaleshwaram. Kaleshwaram, there are Pranahita river, Saraswati river and Godavari together to meet to form a Triveni Sangamam, which is famous temple for Kaleshwaram, Sangameshwara temple. Kaleshwaram, Mukteshwara Swami temple. Mukteshwara Swami temple is there in the Kaleshwaram. Lord Shiva is there. Okay, yeah. Triveni Sangamam is it is the holy place for this Godavari Pushkaralu for 12 years. Okay, yes. Yeah, I hope you guys understand about Godavari river. I hope you guys understand about Godavari river. I am going to give you the notes in the PDF form next in the coming session. Okay, no need to worry. You have to take screenshot while I am teaching. Okay, this is the accurate notes, guys. If you follow these notes enough, we are going to practice more MCQs relevant exam in coming sessions. Okay, I hope you guys understand. If you like the video. Okay, it is share video if it is for your friends. Okay, yeah, thank you so much.